We've gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you a comprehensive look at the TUONROAD Boys Girls Hoodies 3D printed cool hooded lightweight pullover sweatshirt for kids aged 6 to 16. If you own this hoodie, we'd love for you to leave your review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The link to purchase is in the description, and using it supports our channel. This hoodie has been widely praised for its vibrant and unique 3D printed designs, making it a standout choice for kids who love bold and colorful patterns. The vivid HD printing technology ensures that the graphics are detailed, eye-catching, and resistant to fading even after multiple washes. Parents have noted that the hoodie maintains its vibrant colors over time, which is a significant plus for active kids who wear their favorite clothes often. The material composition, which is a blend of 60% cotton and 40% polyester, strikes a balance between comfort and durability. The cotton provides a soft and breathable feel, while the polyester adds resilience, ensuring that the hoodie remains wrinkle-free and retains its shape after washing. One of the most frequently mentioned positives is the interior fleece lining, which adds a layer of warmth and softness. This makes it an excellent choice for cooler weather or layering during transitional seasons. The lightweight nature of the fabric also means that it's not overly bulky, allowing kids to move freely and comfortably, whether they're at school, playing outside, or attending casual events. The hoodie features a drawstring closure and a spacious front kangaroo pocket, which adds both functionality and style. Kids can use the pocket to keep their hands warm or store small items like snacks or toys. Parents have commented on how true to size the hoodie fits, with many appreciating that it doesn't shrink after washing. This is particularly important when buying clothes for growing children. However, some reviews have noted that while the fit is generally accurate, it's always a good idea to check the size chart provided by the manufacturer to ensure the best fit for your child. The hoodie's lightweight design has received mixed feedback. While some appreciate its versatility and comfort, others expected a thicker material for colder climates. It's worth considering your specific needs when purchasing. The hoodie's design versatility has been another highlight among reviewers. With various patterns available, ranging from galaxy prints to animal motifs, there's something to suit every child's taste. This makes it an excellent gift option for birthdays or holidays. Several customers mentioned how much their kids loved receiving this hoodie as a present, often becoming their go-to piece of clothing. Durability is another strong point for this product. Thanks to its high-quality materials and construction, parents have reported that the hoodie withstands regular wear and tear exceptionally well. The seams are sturdy and the fabric resists pilling even after numerous washes. This makes it a practical choice for active kids who need clothing that can keep up with their energy levels. On the downside, some users have pointed out that the material might feel thinner than expected based on the product images. While this doesn't compromise its overall quality or comfort, it's something to keep in mind if you're looking for a heavier sweatshirt for winter wear. Additionally, while most reviews praise the vibrant prints, a small number of customers mentioned slight variations in color compared to what was shown online. This could be due to differences in screen settings or lighting during photography. Overall, the TUONROAD Boys Girls Hoodies 3D printed cool hooded lightweight pullover sweatshirt has received overwhelmingly positive feedback from parents and kids alike. Its combination of stylish designs, comfortable materials, and practical features make it a popular choice for children's casual wear. If you're looking for a hoodie that your child will love wearing while also standing up to everyday use, this product is worth considering. We hope this detailed review helps you decide whether this hoodie is right for your child. Don't forget to check out the product link in the description if you're interested in purchasing one. It supports our channel. And if you already own this hoodie, please share your thoughts in the comments below to help others make an informed decision.